And today's rocket of the day is my Stealth Alpha. This is a scratch build I made maybe a year and a half ago. It was one I just wanted to use to punch the sky with. 24mm motor, friction fit, or I usually taper around the nozzle there or taper around the edge of the motor mount. A super high flying rocket. I was able to get, I was trying to hit 2,000 feet with it. I was hitting in the high 19s. Came very close, but I may have to revisit this again, see if I can get it back up there, 2,000 feet or so. On a nice day, nice clear blue sky day. It's a great flying rocket. I just went and did all this black and did some detailing with some red tape all around there. As you can see, you got the skunk there, Lockheed Martin right there. This is the Skunk Works Stealth Alpha. It's kind of like an Alpha, but beefed up, a little tough. Fins are aerodynamic. Everything is ready to go. Got a little red tip on the end. And we are doing rockets of the day, and this is my rocket of the day for today. If you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is Model Rocks 321. Rockets of the day.